Hey, this is Mindy Lighthype, and I am really super excited about what's going to happen this fall. I have partnered with a company called Big Bugs, which provides the most amazing insect specimens. I was there in this summer, and I visited their warehouse, and between the company and myself, we have collaborated to come up with some really exciting classes for you. I just got this amazing box from the company with some really cool stuff in it, and I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so with a little help from my studio assistant, I've got the box opened, and I used a razor here. And I'm going to make sure that put the razor back, and it's packed really, really well. It's got this paper and then these boxes, and the boxes are taped up with a fragile, and you just open this up this way, and then you can open up the box. They're really super sturdy, and they're actually really great for storage, so you can keep the insects in the storage. So when I open this up, as you can see, there's this amazing grasshopper. This grasshopper is from Peru, and it's one of the specimens that we'll be working with later on this fall. So I've got this one, and got to close it up because the studio assistant is extremely enthusiastic. And then another one here. Open this up, and there's three absolutely beautiful specimens here. So we've got the Eastern Tiger Swallowtail, which is the first one that we'll be doing in early September. And then we have the White Line Sphinx, which is from Arizona. And then we have the Death Head's Moth, which is going to be our Halloween class. All the classes are going to be on Zoom, and there are links on my website. And also there is a coupon for anybody who is going to participate to get your specimens from Big Bugs. I can't tell you how excited I am to be working with this company. Everything is ethically sourced, and they do a wonderful job at packaging with information, and I'm super excited to be working with them. They are an excellent company, so if you're interested in collecting, drawing, whatever, I highly recommend Big Bugs. Take care, and I hope to see you on Zoom or maybe even on adventures. Take care. Bye.